Hello students, now we are going to start our further lecture on multiplexer. Before this we have studied about encoder and decoder. Now the last topic of this chapter is multiplexer. Now what is multiplexer? In general we can say that multiplexer is the term used to describe the operation of one or more signals through a common transmission line at different time or speed. A device used to perform the above-mentioned task is known as multiplexer. We can say in a multiplexer, number of input signals are there, but it produces only one output signals. Again, in multiplexer, we can see there are several input signals through the block diagram, and we have got only one output signals. Okay, it can be octal, hexadecimal, decimal, now, hence we can say that a multiplexer is a combinational logic circuit. We can abbreviate it as MUX, M-U-X. Okay, here it is written, used to select one out of many input signals to pass through a common output line with the help of control signals. Okay, we can say that a number of input signals are there, but they produce only one output signals. This hence it is also referred to as many to one device. We can say that to many to as many to one device. We can, for example, we can take a example of television set. As we have seen that there are number of signals keep waiting in the television set seeking to entry to produce program on the screen, but a specific signal is selected. You select a choice of your channel and allowed to enter into the television set on by pressing a button from the remote control. This shows that the utility of multiplexer control circuit. We see that when we have remote there, we have option to choose any channel, but all the channels are in the list. These are your many inputs, but at, by selecting only one channel, you get only one output. Okay, this is the program of your multiplexer. Now 4 to 1 multiplexer. First we will understand what is 4 to 1 multiplexer. For this we are selecting 4 to 1 multiplexer. There are many others 2 to 1, 8 to 1, 16 to 1 multiplexers. In this multiplexer the details are the following. Inputs, as they indicate there are 4 input bits. They are D0, D1, D2, D3. See, there are 4 inputs D0, D1, D2 and D3. Okay, now there are two A, B. Output, the number of output is 1 and it is referred by Y. Control bits, two control bits are used here, A and B. See, two control bits are used here, the complement and non-complement of A. For B, it is also complement and non-complement. This will decide which input bit should have to be selected. The output clearly depends upon the control bits. See, here are the four inputs, two control bits, and there are four AND gates making a circuit, and they have joined for one with the help of OR gate for the one output. Now we will see logic diagram of 8 to 1 multiplexer. See here the selector switches are there, A, B, C. These are their binary numbers. Data signal selected. 8 to 1 it is, so it is octal. It will be have 0 to 7 values, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. This is the truth table of that. In order to draw diagram 8 inputs to 1 output multiplexer, you need not work a lot. Simplify, draw a decoder circuit for a binary to octal. See, decoder circuit is there. D0, D1, there are 8. Okay, 0 to 7. Use separate data lines to each AND gate. See, use separate data lines we have used for each AND gate. That is the input signals from which data is to be selected. Connect the different outputs of AND gates to the input of an OR gate which will produce a single output. See, all the AND gates are connected with the OR gate and which will produce a single output. See, with the help of diagram it has been shown here. This is your logic diagram. Okay. Now what are the applications of multiplexer? Where we use multiplexer? It is used to it is used for using two-way selection in a triggering device. Generally use it in a triggering device. We use it for sharing common bus for address and data transmission among the devices. We use it parallel to the serial conversion, and also at the last we use it to in input signal conditioning device. All the nodes of multiplexer, this you should be in your class register, okay, neatly and clearly with the logic diagrams. Now here are the questions which you have to write in your class registers with the answer. In the questions, these are questions and with the answer they have been given here, okay. What is multiplexer? How is it different from a decoder? Draw the circuit diagram of 8 to 1 multiplexer. See, here the answer is given and here is the diagram of 8 to 1 multiplexer. Note it down in your registers very clearly. Now this is the second question. See, what is an encoder? Draw the encoder circuit to convert A to F hexadecimal numbers to binary. State an application to a multiplexer. It has been A to F. Okay, see how it has been done. It is also your board questions. Write it down in your class registers. And this is the question. See, with the help of K-map has been given here. Okay. See how the K-map have been reduced, and there is a logic diagram. This is also IC question which has come in your 2016. I want a student, all of you, to note down all the PPT part notes in your class registers. I'll sell PDF of this PPT.